Okay, ana diha. 1. Look at that. Diha taday. Oh my God, I'm crying. Hey guys, we are here now at Asamanta.
Which Casaroro?
Yeah, the Banica River. There's a lot of what do you call this? There's a lot of waterfalls here. It's called Andoy Falls, Dolly Falls, Tabunan Falls, Tutin Falls. But we were going to which one? The original Casaroro Falls and the Tutin Falls. Yes, I've been here before, guys. Yeah, but you know. Now I'm back here with my friends. Say hello. Dili ra kabalo ra ko. Dili. Munya rami mo kuan? Balik ra.
Guide.
Guide no. I'm the guide here. I'm the tour guide here. Yes. By the way, guys, this is my friend Chili. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi Ad.
What's ad?
Hi Ad ba?
Hi ad.
Hi Ad ba murag hayang. Ala, look. There's a lot of chickens here, oh. Hi, Roster. Gidalayin mo akong kalot, day.
Oh,
60 ba na ako ang kwan, oy? Asgara.
mga single ladies.
Hey, sexy ladies. Yeah, we are the hot mama, guys, huh? Hot mama. She also have...
Trying.
Yeah, trying.
Trying.
She also have one kid. Only one.
Kids.
2 kids ba? Apil si Micah?
Of course.
I 2 kids.
She's my precious.
Okay then. No, I'm not gonna argue. Hoy, kadahang manok diri.
Roasters.
So many rosters here in the Philippines, guys. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, oh. Yeah, my goodness. Nindot ron kay kuan. Yeah, the weather today, guys, it's cloudy. It's always cloudy here in Valencia, I think. Diba?
Yeah.
Cloudy man diri.
It's uphill.
Yeah, cloudy. Good luck. Are you ready to explore?
I haven't been here.
Yeah. It's her first time, guys, so I'm her tour guide. So guys, if you're looking for a tour guide, just contact me. Just kidding, guys. No. Yeah, I really like these waterfalls because, you know, there's many waterfalls to visit. I'll show you later, guys. You will see what I'm talking about. Diba? Go.
Oh.
Go with the flow. Jungle, the jungle girl. By the way, guys, take note, when you come here, you should bring some waters because it's very important. You need to be hydrated. Okay? Take note. Yes. And
Noted.
also, towel, swimsuit. Ay, yeah, for girls. For girls only. Look at this side, the left side. This is how it looks like here. Look at the view here. Amazing. You see that? So that's Dumaguete. So watch out, guys, if you wanna come here. Just be careful. Watch your steps. Yes, because look at that. Especially if it's raining. Yeah. I think it's been 2 years or 3 years. Almost 3 years that the last time that I'm here. Yeah. Diba? Step mo diha. Go, 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 go. Hey. You can hear that? You hear the falls?
It's going.
Yeah, the falls is falling. Napulling. Yeah, later on our way back is the worst part, I think. If you're not used to walk, di ba, Day? Yeah, but we'll see later. Gasandal ra lagi ka, Day. O, komportable ra na yung chinilas? Okay. Yeah, I'm using my Nike. It's very comfortable also. Yeah. Look at the jungle. Look at that big tree. That's a huge tree, guys. Oh. Oh my God. Tabi-tabi po. Yeah, I know. Okay, I think this is sand. Yeah. Yeah, that's why if you have to hold this part, yeah, the bamboo. This is the support, guys, Yeah. Pero ka lang, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just focusing on our adventure.
I
more
like
fun.
it. Yeah, I really love to adventure, guys. It's about time for me to adventure. I always work and work and work. No explore, Charis. Diba? We need to work, oy. We need to work, oy. We need to.
Yeah,
we need
exactly. You need to work.
We need to work
do
and we
an
need to adventure also. Just balance, right? It's really good to to explore. Diba? Nagkuhan sila, they make this one all new one. But look, you cannot really trust this. But yeah. Maipo ba? Maipo ni siya ba?
Yeah, if you're 200 kilos, yes.
Yeah. But like us, no, I think it's not. Look at this bamboo right here, guys. Oh, it's really big. Look, show it to them. Man. Look, it's really big. Okay, pila naka years na? I don't know how many years is this. What do you think? How many years is that?
This thick? I don't know.
I think it's 30 years. You think so? No.
Let's see. Google it.
Google it, Google it. Kandawa ko na iko, no? Hala. Nay mo nagigek ko. Wala may tabili ba? Lataw. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, it's running. There's a way going to Tin Falls. It's on the left side, and the Casaroro Falls, it's going to the right side. So yeah, I will show you guys. I will show you what I mean. Yes. Yep. Yeah, I think he's with the tour guide. I thought that they're going up. They're going down, I think, or going. Oh my God.
Is that slow then?
Oh.
Or that fast? Okay.
It's big. Oh my God.
So you want me to blow it? It's at the side. It's at the edge already.
Oh my God. Sakit doy.
Sakit?
Oh my God, I'm crying. Yeah, guys, be careful with the insects. It's not mosquito. Is it insects? I'm crying now. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's.
You good?
I'm crying now. Tumatay ning buwangan eh. Yeah, they make me cry. Gipahila ko sa minatay. Yeah, that's the problem here, kaning bitong mga mananap dire. Kaning bitong na mag-ipad-lupad. Good morning. You're cleaning?
We are we're getting our dinner, our lunch.
Lunch?
See here inside the bag and
Oh, that's
yam?
huh?
Something?
You don't know?
bisol.
Ah, okay.
What do you call that?
Bisol. Kana bang mga moragabi?
You're going swimming? You're going swimming?
Yes. Yeah, we're going to swim.
Asa man old Casaroro or
The old and the Tutin one. I've been here before.
you been? You know before?
Yeah, I know. Mabikog.
To swim is alright, huh? You need to know how to swim there.
Yeah, I know how to swim.
You end up in Boulevard.
Yeah, no. Of course not. We know how to swim. Mo din nga di sila bisul-bisul. I think it's way more closer. Oh, see, it's like 13 minutes. 13 minutes and 51 seconds. Let's say 14 minutes. Yeah, I think this one is closer than the other Casaroro, guys. Yeah, you see this one is going to Ting Falls. You can go this way also, and you can also go to this one. We will go to Casaroro first, ma'am. We will go. Yeah, we are going to Casaroro first, and then after we can go there to Ting Falls, guys. Yes, explore. We can hear the falls now, guys. I will show you. There's a part that it's that where you can swim, guys. Wait, yeah. As I remember before, they also put rope swing, so that you can ride on the swing and then jump. I like that. The last time that I was here, guys, I was with Ziana and Soren. I'm carrying Soren, you know. He's like, I don't know how many pounds, but he's heavy. Yeah, I just put him here on a carrier and I carry him. Yeah, because you know we really love to adventure, guys. We come here many times. I don't know how many times that I visit this, but yeah, I think it's, I don't know, let's say 6 times I think that I've been here. Yeah, there's people there. Look, this is how it looks like here, guys. Yeah, there's 2 girls there with 1 guy. So that's the one that I told you that that's the part where you can swim. Kira ka, ma'am?
All good.
Yeah, all good. Wow. They make that bridge. I don't know why they make that. I think that's so that they can jump. Maka-jump the pita. Huh? What can you say about this balanga?
What can you say? It's beautiful. Of course.
It's beautiful, of course. It's nature. Yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty full like us. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, we were going to the original Casaroro Falls, guys. Bamboo house there, guys. That's cute. It's good that they clean in this side, both sides. Yeah, they really maintain. Yeah, you guys, if you wanna come here, you have to give some donations also. You know, the entrance part. There's one house there. You have to you have to give any amount of donation because they're the one cleaning this nature, this waterfalls. I mean, I already walked 4,443 steps today. Navia. Yeah. Oh, dakuha kay ani nga rock. Oh, it's so big, this rock. Can you imagine if matabunan ka, ana? Baskilan.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, look at this part, guys. Look at this. Amazing. Wow. I can't wait to swim later. We're almost there, guys. Let's go. Look, this is the dry river. No, no water, guys. There's no water in here. I'm sweating now. Sweating.
Sweating.
Sweating. It's good. Cardio. Diba?
Water.
Huh?
Parang make me sweat,
Make me sweat. Yeah, that's... Ganan siya, Aron? Tabi-tabi po sa bangkay. Uy, naka-remember ko itong una din. Nalaslag lagi akong amiga. Mayon dyan ang pagkagba niya. Kaya kaulan man to. Yeah. You see that, guys? We are in the good... we are in the right way. Diba mo? Adventure pa more. You see that? I'm right. Ah, we can cross here di ay unta. Naglibot-libot rata day. Ate at nag-explore ta. You know what, guys? You can just go there di ay. Yeah. When we go back, we will take that one. Big bamboo. Look at that big bamboo. Look at this. Let's go new kuan.
Sananjid.
New recruit. My new recruit, Shelly.
Chell.
Chichel. Jahat mama also. Petite but yummy. Ang sound dyan.
It's mostly yummy. Sarap.
Slim. Very, very slim. Ano kapag ayo ay? Hindi ha.
Sarap.
Saan pag-ambak yan?
Jungle Jane.
Jungle girl, baby. We are the province girl. Jungle girl. Uy, nalagay sa may bridge diha ay. Oh. Province girl. Ano nila? Sige, diya daw kag dai. Video ko.
Sige.
Ano? Wala kayo sana, di ko ano eh. Ano ko?
Huh?
Abi na itong latay, ma?
You don't have any choice.
Ano na ba?
Okay.
Ikaw na nun ay. We have to cross here. Yeah, ikaw, mulatay ka din tapita.
Yeah, if I have to, I will.
Mauna, lakaw.
Which one? Right there?
Oh. Okay. Yeah, diha ka mo cross. Anang naay duha ka bamboo stick. Bamboo stick. Smile. Ja. Okay, anak diha. One. Hangad. Go. Look at the weather. It's really, really cloudy, guys.
Yeah. Need to remove my slipper because it's slippery. You see? Look at that.
Dia diha taday. Sige, picture ko lang. One, two, three. This way. I'm sweating now, guys. I'm sweating. How mama is sweating? Sweating na hot. Sa moto ko kahat. Charot, okot. Karon po kabantay. Huwag mo din ako nagiun niya akong sa light. Woo! Sweating, sweating. Wow, amazing. So relaxing here. Just keep going, Rachel. Keep going. Yeah, that way. Always on the left side. That's my girl. Sige po niyo, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Again. Look at this, oh. Wow. Look at that! We're here, guys. Amazing. Enjoy the nature. You should visit here, guys. It's so good. Wow.